Aloha, you got Lanai with another edition of Wikibites, sponsored by Time Supermarkets. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy ahi poke. This is everyone's favorite, I think. We got 1 pound of ahi. We're going to get some mayo. It's a really easy recipe. We got some sesame oil. We got the sriracha, which gives it the spicy, of course, in the ahi poke. If you've never been to Hawaii, we love mayo, by the way. We got some Hawaiian salt. We got some really good Hawaiian salt here too, by the way. And we got a little bit of masago, which is fish roe, just a little bit. All right, we're gonna mix that up. Spicy tuna is very basic, easy to make. As long as you got some good fish, and you know, we love our poke here in Hawaii. Poke means to cut, cube, or slice. It doesn't mean raw. We get a lot of emails, people asking, does it mean raw? Nope, and that's it. As simple as that. Let's give it a try. Oh no, spicy ahi poke.